So today I'm going to a vegan potluck buffet, and I decided it'd be really nice to make some bite-sized beetroot Buddha Bowl balls. Now these are really delicious. It's a great thing to share as part of a potluck if you're going to a party, and they serve great hot, they serve great cold, they work wonderful as a picnic or a hiking food, and they go really nicely in your lunchbox, and they serve delightfully with a medley of other salads and other healthy foods. They've got seeds as one of the main ingredients. You can use any seed you like. Go to my website, I'll give you more tips and hints and suggestions for the recipe. And I'm also using beetroot and a little bit of sweet potato in there. And so let's go see how I make them.
So you want to start by grinding down your seeds in a nut mill, food processor or high-powered blender. And then take your beetroots and give them a nice grate. And you can also use sweet potato, so you can either use all sweet potato or beetroot or a mixture of the two. And then you want to finely chop your onion. And either smash down or use a garlic press to finely chop or crush your garlic. And then add some nice fresh parsley leaves. It's better to finely chop them, but roughly chop them if you want to, and add them. Add a couple of teaspoons of ground coriander and a nice big pinch of pepper and sea salt. And then if you want to add hemp seeds, you don't actually need to grind them down. But remember, if you're using sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds, grind them ahead of time. And then finally grate a nice heaped teaspoon of fresh ginger and mix everything together thoroughly in a bowl ahead of time. And then the next stage, you either want to use a food processor, a hand blender, or something like a Vitamix. So if you're going to use a food processor, just blend them for 10-20 seconds, or a hand blender, you just want to press it down for about 10-20 seconds, a few pulses. With the Vitamix, you want to pop it in and use the tamper tool to push it down. And then once you've pushed it down a little bit and blended it, you just want to loosen it up and then repeat that again. And the consistency you're looking for is a nice squidgy consistency with lots of nice rustic bits in there, so that you can roll some nice gorgeous little bowls, no bigger than golf ball size. And if you've got any bits of parsley sticking out, just pop them out and then pop them on a plate. And then you want to pop them in a hot oven for about half an hour. And then pop them out to cool them. You can actually enjoy them hot or cold. Just remember to go to my website for exact measurements and temperatures and more tips and hints.
Okay, so I have popped them on a bed of cauliflower rice, which is a gorgeous complimentary thing to do them super healthy. I mean, this is brimming with so much goodness, you just won't believe it. So let's see how they taste. They've got a perfect little dance of flavours going on. Really beautiful energy to them. Absolutely delicious. If you like what you see here, please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come visit me on kindearth.net for loads more inspiration and ideas, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.